Kwara, Plateau, Sokoto and Taraba State, respectively, that were here to forward their resolutions were urged to do so in compliance with constitutional obligation. The House is aware that Sokoto State House of Assembly has accordingly forwarded its resolution. The House is therefore convinced that with the approval of Sokoto State House of Assembly, the Constitution 5th Alteration Bill number 20, Uniform Retirement Age for Judicial Officers and Pension Rights in bracket, has met the provisions of Section 9, Subsection 2 of the Constitution for passage. The House therefore resolves, 1, to urge the Gombe, Jigawa, Kebbi, Kwara, Plateau, and Taraba State Houses of Assembly, respectively, that are yet to forward their resolution on the bills to do so in fulfillment of their constitutionally imposed legislative obligation to the Constitution amendment process. 2, and direct the Clerk to the National Assembly to transmit the bill to the President for assent in line with the provisions of the Acts of Authentication Act. We met with them, and they all unanimously agreed to this provision. So delaying their forwarding their resolution is not in line with gentleman agreement as agreed with them. This is my humble submission as to support of this motion that has been moved. I shall submit, Mr. Speaker.
On the need for them and all of us to look at Nigeria first and to serve our country first. And I believe they are getting our message very clear, so we're still pleading with them. Those in favor of the motion say aye. Against say nay. That's have it.